To learn more about earning college credits with Study Hall, go to gostudyhall.com or click the link in the description. Say you own a bike shop in a mountain town known for its awesome biking trails. You think your shop is the best in town, especially since you're the only spot that sells luxury bikes that come with fancy extra features. But another shop around the corner also sells mountain bikes. They've been around longer, so they're more well-known in the community. And on top of that, they have a cute dog who's basically a local celebrity. That's tough competition. In order to build a strong business, you've got to get your name out there. That way people know who you are and what you sell. But you can't stop there. You also need to show them why your product is a better fit for the mountain bike-shaped hole in their life than the bikes from the other stores. The good news is that if you choose marketing as your college major, you'll gain the skills and knowledge you need to help any business market their products and reach their customers. Hi, I'm Cassandra Ryder, and welcome to Fast Guides, a Study Hall series that explains different college majors. Now, let's talk about a marketing degree. Marketing is the process of getting people interested in a company's product or service. And marketing professionals use the skills they learn during their degree program to connect consumers with products that can solve their problems, or at least make their lives a little bit easier. So as a marketing major, you'll learn how to be an effective communicator and understand other people and how they behave. You'll also learn how to analyze a business's story, then use those insights to create a marketing strategy. Basically, when you become a marketing professional, you're like an extremely qualified influencer. So if you're thinking, that sounds like the best job ever, a marketing degree might be a good fit for you. Marketing degrees are usually offered through a school's business department. So early on in the degree, marketing majors have to study the basics of business and marketing. But they'll also have to take math and communication courses. Let's go back to our up-and-coming bike shop. If you want to sell more luxury bikes, you'll need to figure out how customers pick out their future rides and why they choose the models they do, which is why marketing majors take customer behavior classes. In these courses, you'll learn what makes consumers tick by using data like customer surveys, interviews, and case studies. But you can only use that data to help your bike business if you understand it. In marketing research classes, you'll figure out how to gather quality data and interpret it. As a bike shop owner, market research can help you figure out if there's a market for luxury bikes in your area and which types of customers are likely to buy them. Once you know that you've got a market for your awesome bikes, it's time to put together a communication plan that will help you connect your bike business with potential customers. Don't worry, you'll learn the ins and outs of putting together marketing strategies that sell in marketing strategy courses. Then once you get some of these types of introductory classes out of the way, you'll take more specialized marketing courses. Classes like advertising and brand management will show you how to take your bike shop and make it memorable and distinct. And in sales-focused classes like professional selling skills, you'll learn how to take awareness of your brand and turn it into dollars and cents. And those are skills you can take to the bank. Literally. One of the critical aspects of marketing is figuring out how to reach the right people with your message. That's why you'll also take classes that investigate how marketing works across different communications platforms, which are known as channels. These courses may include digital marketing, where you'll use channels like social media, search engines, and email to reach consumers where you live and around the world. You'll also take classes like business-to-business marketing, where you'll practice building marketing plans for real-world companies focused on connecting them with other industry partners. Some programs will also let you specialize or concentrate in a particular type of marketing and take several related classes. These might be areas like digital marketing communications or professional sales. But whether you choose to specialize or not, by the end of a marketing degree, you'll be ready to help businesses share who they are with the world. Now, while anyone can be a great marketing major, there are a few qualities that great marketing professionals tend to have. Flexible people who love learning and variety and are strong communicators tend to do well in the marketing world. And because there's a lot of diversity in the partnerships a marketing professional can have, it's a great field for people who are naturally curious, open-minded, and empathetic. You might also thrive as a marketing major if you have a mix of creative, analytical, and strategic skills. Marketers spend time analyzing data to develop creative communication strategies. They want to tell good stories, but make sure they're getting a good return on investment, or ROI, for their efforts. And if you're known for your fun ideas and unique solutions to problems, that's great. Marketing majors need to think outside the box and share their ideas. Creative, flexible, curious people sometimes feel stuck when they're pinned down to one career, or even one major. But don't worry. Since marketing also draws on concepts from different fields of study, many students choose a second major or minor to add a special focus to their marketing degree. You can decide to take electives, minor, or double major in related fields like psychology, communication, sociology, English, graphic design, or computer science. And the extra insight you get from studying different subjects can help you carve out a niche in the marketing field. For instance, you could use your double marketing and English major to become the copywriter who pens an ad that's featured in Times Square. Or you could minor in graphic design and create the iconic logo that shoots your local bike shop to the top of the market. And of course, a marketing degree is always compatible with other business degrees like finance, accounting, business administration, and management. And maybe one day, it could help you start your own business and handle your own marketing. Marketing is all about connecting people and achieving goals, which is amazing. But good marketing majors know that marketing is also about influencing future outcomes. You can use those skills to avoid some of the common pitfalls marketing majors face. For instance, many marketing concepts are closely related, which makes it tough to keep them straight. For example, the steps a person takes as they decide to purchase a product, like your bicycles, is the buyer's journey. But the buyer's journey isn't the same thing as the customer's journey, because not every potential buyer becomes a real customer. You can keep tricky terms straight by relating them to real-world situations. You might compare how each journey works for people who visit your bike shop. Or you can imagine scenarios using some of your favorite stores, like the hot chocolate bar down the street. Oh, and remember those math and research courses we talked about? While marketing requires creativity and great ideas, you'll have to combine those with quantitative skills. Marketers analyze and interpret lots of data, so you'll have to combine your creative side with your analytic side to succeed. And mixing complex analytical information with creative strategy is fun, but it's also a lot of hard work. But by taking great notes, staying on top of your coursework, and meeting with your professors when you're struggling, you can succeed. And of course, the goal of your in-class success is getting a great job after you graduate. With a bachelor's in marketing, you can pursue job roles that play to your strengths, whether that's writing, research, strategy, or managing client relationships, or all of the above. Your degree qualifies you for a variety of marketing roles, which can include copywriting, media planning, market research analysis, or account management, and jobs with titles like marketing associate, market research analyst, social media manager, and more. Marketing professionals can also enter the workforce with an associate's degree in marketing, which is a 2-year degree that prepares you for entry-level positions in retail, sales, and customer service. And if you want to advance to upper-level marketing roles, you can always go back and earn a bachelor's degree later on. Marketing professionals don't usually need a graduate degree, but if you want to boost your credentials, earning a master's degree in business or a related field might be a good option. By combining education with real-world experience, many marketing professionals progress to advanced positions like advertising manager, brand manager, media planner, productions manager, or promotions coordinator. In these roles, you'll have the opportunity to oversee marketing strategies for clients from start to finish, and you'll be the bridge between your agency and other brands and companies. In most roles, the life of a marketing professional is fast-paced and full of opportunities. You'll brainstorm, create, and strategize with your marketing team and with your clients every day. There also tends to be a lot of variety in the routine and tasks of a marketing professional. You might spend one day in an intense research session with a client, and the next shooting a video for another brand's social media strategy. There can also be a lot of variety in the salaries. Now, talking about salaries is hard because so much can change year to year or depending on what location you're in. As of 2023, the average entry-level marketing salary for a recent graduate with a bachelor's degree in marketing is $43,000 per year. And for more advanced positions like advertising, promotions, and marketing managers, the salary jumps to about $140,000 per year. That's a big difference, and just reflects how, as you gain experience, you'll be eligible for all kinds of roles in many different industries. Marketing majors can also enter fields like public relations, where specialists earn about $63,000 annually. You could also become a social media manager and create cool content for brands where salaries start around $98,000. In other words, marketing degrees give you the flexibility to choose the career and industry that's right for you. even if it's not in marketing specifically. Because one of the great things about a marketing degree is that your skills are highly transferable and sought after in all kinds of industries. For example, being able to analyze and translate data could help you transition into a career as a data analyst. Whatever you decide to do, the skills you gain during your marketing degree will give you a strong foundation for building a fulfilling and successful career. At its core, marketing is all about helping businesses connect with the people who would benefit most from buying their products or services. And the communication, creative, analytical, and strategic skills that you develop during a marketing degree will equip you to make those connections. When you get a degree in marketing, you have the chance to be the hidden hero of the business world. Your work helps consumers and businesses in every industry solve problems and achieve their goals, which makes people feel fulfilled. And at the end of the day, that's a pretty rewarding way to spend your career. If you want to investigate more degrees before you choose a major, check out our other videos in this playlist. To find out how to earn college credit with Study Hall, go to gostudyhall.com or click on the link here or in the description. And if you want to help us out, give this video a like and comment to let us know how you chose your degree or what you wish you'd known before you started your degree. Thanks for watching.